snowy, blurry, dirty. Life gets messy, and you really notice it when it affects your windshield. The rubber of the wiper blades on your Subaru wears out over time, causing streaks, chattering or jerking, and poor visibility. That's when it's time for a change. But before replacing them, you can try cleaning the blades and glass with a soft cloth, water, and a mild detergent, like dish soap, because debris can affect their performance. Be careful when you raise and lower the wiper arms so you don't damage the blades or glass. If you have a rear wiper, don't forget to check it too.
If your wiper blades continue to be a problem, come see us so we can assist.
Our factory-trained technicians will fit your Subaru with the correct type and size for your vehicle. Subaru recommends original equipment manufacturer wipers with 4 design types suited for your driving conditions, so you can get a clear view of whatever lies ahead. We're here to help. Make it last.